This is a ring that looks very understated, but is actually very classy. I've made this ring at least a few hundred times, probably because girls are naturally irresistible to such shiny things, but while the style is good, the details are the most problematic. So I spend dozens of hours every time I make this kind of ring. Recently, many people have been asking me if I can make it cheaper. My uniform answer is that something good, it is naturally expensive. It took me 3 days to make this video, fast forwarding, editing, and extracting all of my production, trying to show the real production process as much as possible. I'm embarrassed to say that my purpose is to earn money through my craft, but many people laugh at me and say that I'm just marketing to sell my products. But my products are all made by me personally with my heart. Do you think it's right to market them this way? If you like handmade rings, can you click a follow for me? I'm sure there's always someone who gets it.